These are UPR part numbers 2006-21, 2006-22, and 2006-23. They're billet upper shock mounts for 15 and newer Mustangs. They're the rear shock mounts, and the factory mounts are cast aluminum. They're not very strong, and they're actually known to break. So we've seen them break on cars that are used for aggressive handling applications, cornering. I've also seen them break on cars that are very low or bagged and bottoming out the shocks. The stock mounts just can't take a lot of load. So we've made these 6061 billet aluminum upper shock mounts, and you notice that across the three kits, the mounts are basically the same. The same billet, the same Teflon lined spherical. It's a really, really nice mount. The difference between the three kits are in the hardware that's included, okay? So 2006-21, this has M10-1.5 thread. So that's the stock thread on the OEM shocks, or current Viking shocks have the M10 1.5 thread. So those will work there. The 2006-22, that's actually a 3/8-24 thread, and some of the original Viking shocks for S550 several years ago had that thread, so we do still keep those in stock. Finally, the 2006-24 has an M10-1.25 thread in the fittings there, and that actually fits BC shocks and Petters and any shocks that have the the M10 1.25. So strongly recommend the UPR billet upper shock mounts for the rear of S550 and S650 Mustangs. All you have to do is just go to uprproducts.com, go to the drop-down menu in the listing, and select which shock that you have, and that'll direct you to which part number you need for your specific shock. So check them out at our website or any UPR Products dealer.